Yo, good morning guys. It is now 5 minutes to 8 o'clock. And I already had my cup of coffee. Now I'm going to reheat this pizza. Yeah, this is the pizza from 2 days ago. This is going to be my breakfast. 30 seconds maybe enough. Last time I reheat the pizza using the toaster, but not good. Sorry if you cry. Okay, this is good. I'm going to wash it in the washing machine. And you know, this is becoming very heavy when you wash it in the washing machine. The sound feels like it is going to be broken. And I will be using that blanket again. I'm not going to use yet the one from Divina. Yeah, because that one that I'm washing now will be dry in the afternoon. Oh, do you know that until now this one is not washed? And at the moment there is a little stain, so I'm going to wash it by hand. Just by water, rinse it by water, and that's it. Because you know, this one is really complicated. What inside here is a feeder. Yeah, feeder of goose. This is a gift. It is now 2:20. I am frying the egg. Actually, yeah, not just fried. I am actually going to make a fried rice with that. So, yeah, this is the one that I was this morning. Yeah, and it's now feeling good. It's clean. And it's still, yeah, it's still good. I mean, because this one is very complicated to wash. But, yeah, it's all good. So, I am waiting for Inigo. Inigo is going to pick me up. Yeah, we are going to a birthday party. Yeah. I don't know whose birthday party, but Inigo is the one who prepared the food, and Inigo invited me. Okay. Na ito.
Oo, paglalasing na.
Oo, mamaya pwede paglalasing nga. Pero tanong niya yung pangalan ko kay Kuya.
Happy birthday, Charla.
Lahat mga video yan.
Oo, yan. Happy birthday, Charla.
Thank you. Kami sa Facebook. Kami wala naman na kayo handa. Asan na yung lobster? Happy birthday! Air bit! Hooray! Air bit! Hooray!
Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, it is already 12:35. Just now I touched this camera. Yeah, I'm now preparing my second coffee, and this time I'm going to eat this one. This cake coming from the birthday party. Yeah, some of the people that I saw there are just the people that I know in the face. So yesterday I got to learn more of them, and yeah, another inspiration in story. Yeah, there are different. Every people has their different story, and mostly are inspirational because they pursue. I mean, they pursue their dreams to continue on to live the good life. Yeah, it is nice. And yesterday, Inigo was doing. Yeah, actually, Inigo is some kind of like yeah. So he's basically the one who prepared some of the food and some of the drinks. So it's like he's a caterer. Inigi was something like that. It could be his business in the future. Yeah, preparing food for a certain event, a small group, a family event. I think that's a good business idea for Inigo to do. I remember when I was in Dubai, one of my chef, he was doing that while working on our restaurant. He's also doing side job, other job like catering to a private family. Nice. Yeah, and like most Filipino, before you go home, they will give you some kind of this. Yeah, they gave me this, and there is one more. Yeah, this one. This is some kind of Thai cake. Yeah, it feels like a puto or rice cake. Yeah, from the very beginning, I said, oh, I don't drink. So I just drink a little beer. But yeah, most of them, they drink tequila. The one with the salt and the lime. I didn't try because I tried that before and it's not very good feeling after. Oh, this time I'm looking this yeah, my cryptocurrency. Okay, let me show you. So at the moment I have this $2,676.74. I have Bitcoins, Ethereum, Cardano, Ripple, Litecoin, Qtum, Tron, Dogecoin, Dentcoin. This Dogecoin, I bought it maybe 5 days ago. I bought for $13, but yeah, this is just 12.43. Let's open. So yeah, that's the movement. You remember last time I bought the BitTorrent and it makes me more money. And then when during the time that I feel that it's going down, I change it with Bitcoin, and now Bitcoin is growing again. And the good thing about cryptocurrency is that yeah, you can trade anytime, any time of the day. I mean, it is open 24/7. Compared to stock market is open only during trading hours. Usually Monday to Friday. Yeah, it is now almost 3 o'clock. I am tempted to go out, but looks like it is going to rain. Yeah, I'm going to cook the chicken that I bought 2 days ago. And I'm going to make a very simple chicken curry. Aside from the salt and pepper, of course I have this Masaman beef curry powder, coconut powder, this chicken, garlic, onion, and this frozen vegetable. No ginger, no coriander, no curry leaves. You know, last time that I cook chicken curry, yeah, you see the previous one that I ate, because I feel that it is too big like this, so I cut it within this, and then I didn't realize that it actually have this kind of plastic, and I accidentally cut this one, and then I googled it. This one is toxic, and I found it is not. Actually, I'm not very sure, but yeah, I still eat the chicken curry. It's starting to burn now. I'm going to mix it here. Yeah, I'm cooking it this way so that the flavor will get inside the meat. No more. I didn't adjust the taste of this, but yeah, when I taste it, it's already really good. I just added a little salt. Yo, good morning guys. It's now 8 o'clock. We are going out. We are going to have a breakfast outside. I made this copy so that I'll be able to save at least $3. I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed that you get it alright. I made a copy but I forgot to put it here. No good. Yeah, that is what I am thinking about. That's why there is something bothering me when I left the house. Okay, we'll leave the bike there and we'll buy coffee and banana bread from here. You have banana bread? Banana bread? Yeah, this is where we are buying a cup of coffee. And do you know this particular spot is before the Asian, no, not the Asian, but the Filipino store. I bought just a cup of coffee because they don't have banana bread. And this is how it is at the moment. Yeah, the water is very calm and less people at the moment because it's still early. It is now, oh, 8:27 already, but there's still not so much people. And we are now here in the bus. Yeah. Snakes always comes into my mind whenever I get into a place like this, but I've never seen any. Okay, we are now here. And we are now here in Shoal Bay, and this is how it is now. Yeah, still I think they need to put grass. I mean, they need to plant grass in there, but at the moment they are now removing all the barrier, these things, and this is already passable. Yeah, and it's beautiful on that side. Nice. And this garbage bin, they are going to place it in a right place. And it is all the way to that Tomari mountain. Beautiful. They also added some shower. Even the hotels, yeah, they are doing some improvements. Yeah, like this hotel, they are under construction. At that, there is a guy on his bike. Yeah, I've done that before with my pot tire bike. Nice. Yeah, this kind of car is good. Oh, the size of this car is really good. That too. Yeah, this one also. Possible for a micro camper. Not that one. Not this one. Yeah, this one is good too. And this one is also good. Not this one. Oh, not that one. Oh look, this guy is also having an e-bike, and look how easy it is to get up. I am now feeling hungry. Yeah, since morning I just had the coffee. When we get to Pingal Bay, we're going to eat there. And as usual, I am sound tripping, singing along with this very nice music on my playlist. Yeah, it is the Amazon Music. And it's free when you subscribe to Amazon Prime. Oh, because of the previous rain, there's water on that side. There's water there. And so we go this way. Yeah, they really designed this pathway to avoid that water. We are now here in Pingal Bay, and we're going to eat on the main beach. Beautiful down there. Yeah, and that one is like the main or the center of Pingal Bay. I just stop here a little bit because I don't want to bother those like a father and son. They are walking relax. I don't want to disturb them. And we are now here in the center of Pingal Bay. Yeah, this is the main stop. I mean, this is the final stop of the bus if you're coming from Sydney. Yeah. Oh, I consider that car turbo. It looks good. Okay, I got it. I did not buy soft drinks or water because, yeah, I remember I have water in my backpack. Yeah, I don't know where to sit down. Every table are occupied. Oh, actually, there is one vacant on that side. Yeah, this one. And it is okay to sit under the sun because, yeah, it is not very hot. I mean, it's not harsh during winter. Okay, that's it. I finished the fish and chips. Actually, I didn't finish the chips, just the fish. Yeah. It's too much, $12. I forgot to bring an extra GoPro battery. That's why I'm now using this Samsung Galaxy S21. And the video quality is not really good using this camera, especially when I am moving.